Welcome back to Sleeping Buddy. Before we begin our journey into the deep stillness of the night, take a moment to welcome a sense of complete release. Allow your shoulders to drop. Let your breath become slow, natural, and deep. With every exhale, imagine the day behind you fading into a distant, blurry memory. Put on your headphones, adjust your blankets, and let the gentle rhythm of the rain carry you away. It is the middle of the night, and a soft, eternal misty rain is falling over the ancient cobblestone streets of Kyoto. The world here feels completely different from the chaotic, loud reality you left behind. The dark wooden machiya houses stand closely together, their historic walls glistening with a thin, silver layer of moisture. You are walking slowly alone, listening to the quiet, rhythmic patter of raindrops hitting your umbrella. Your mind has been so crowded lately, filled with endless noise, heavy expectations, and a deep, unspoken exhaustion that seems to live in your very bones. You feel incredibly small under the vast, dark sky. But as you turn a narrow stone corner, the cold wind suddenly softens. Right there, hidden away from the modern world, you see a majestic wooden gate made of weathered cedar. A single traditional paper lantern sways gently in the midnight breeze, casting a warm, golden amber reflection onto the wet cobblestones beneath your feet. It looks like a beacon of safety, waiting just for you. As if sensing your weariness, the heavy sliding wooden door slowly, silently opens. A kind, elderly Zen master with silver hair and eyes full of ancient wisdom steps out. He does not ask who you are, nor does he demand to know why you are out so late. He simply bows, a deep, slow gesture of profound respect and unconditional welcome. He looks at you and whispers in a voice as soft as velvet,
"Welcome, tired traveler. Step inside. Leave the heavy burdens of the world outside this door."
The moment your feet cross the threshold and step onto the smooth, polished wooden floor, the freezing chill of the night completely evaporates. You step into a traditional tatami room, and the heavy door slides shut behind you, sealing out the noise of the universe. The air inside is incredibly thick with a comforting, nostalgic aroma. It smells of freshly dried rush grass from the tatami mats, mixed with the deep, rich scent of ancient wood that has stood for centuries. The old master moves with a beautiful, meditative slowness. He kneels down by a small incense burner and gently lights a single slender stick of pure sandalwood incense. You watch, hypnotized, as a delicate, elegant trail of white smoke begins to curl and dance upward into the dim, amber-lit air. The fragrance is earthy, sweet, and instantly grounding. He then pours a stream of hot, dark roasted hojicha tea into a rustic clay cup. The steam rises gently, wrapping around your face like a warm, comforting mist. The master doesn't ask about your worries, your stress, or your past. He knows that true healing does not begin with complicated answers. It begins with absolute stillness and a safe space to just breathe. With another quiet, peaceful bow, he stands and steps backward out of the room, sliding the paper shoji screens completely shut. You are left alone in a sacred sanctuary of absolute privacy, wrapped in a blanket of total security. You move slowly and sit down on the soft tatami floor, wrapping your cold fingers around the warm, textured clay cup. The heat from the tea immediately transfers into your palms, sending a wave of pure physical comfort straight to your heart. You lift the cup to your lips and take a slow, deliberate sip. The warm, nutty, and slightly smoky flavor of the hojicha flows down your throat, and you can practically feel the tight, defensive knots of anxiety in your chest beginning to untie one by one, melting away under the gentle warmth. Through the open sliding shoji doors at the front of the room, you look out into the midnight Zen garden. In the darkness, a majestic dense forest of tall, emerald green bamboo stalks stands proud. They are swaying in perfect slow motion harmony under the weight of the soft misty rain. As the raindrops kiss the long slender bamboo leaves, they create a gentle whispering rustle, a soft natural lullaby that seems to sing directly to your tired soul. The air coming from the garden is crisp, clean, and filled with the scent of rain-washed earth. It blends perfectly with the sweet, woody trail of the burning incense, creating a protective cocoon around you. In this place, nothing can harm you. The frantic world outside has lost all its power over you. Slowly, with a deep sigh of relief, you lie down on a thick, cloud-like Japanese futon mattress that has been prepared for you directly on the tatami floor. As your head sinks deeply into the soft, supportive pillow, you pull a lightweight yet heavy-feeling quilt up to your chest. Your perspective shifts. Now, you are looking from the ground up, watching the rain fall endlessly into the dark garden. There are no sudden noises here, no alerts, no deadlines, no voices demanding your attention. There is only the steady, crystalline melody of the raindrops tapping against the bamboo leaves, a gentle, eternal pattern that clears the clutter from your mind. As you watch the tall bamboo bend gracefully in the night wind without ever breaking, a profound wave of understanding washes over your soul. You realize that you don't need to hold on so tightly anymore. The constant running, the endless pressure to achieve, the weight of carrying everyone else's expectations, you can set it all down now. The rain-washed bamboo is whispering to you, telling you that it is okay to be tired, it is okay to slow down, it is okay to show your vulnerability. You have fought so incredibly hard to survive the chaotic days of the past year. You have done enough. But right now, in this ancient sacred space, your only remaining task is to stop thinking and allow yourself to rest. Your eyes grow incredibly heavy now, their slow blinks perfectly synchronized with the eternal steady pattern of the raindrops outside the door. The amber shadows on the paper shoji screens begin to soften and blur as the last remaining light dims into a gentle dark twilight. The room grows colder, but you are completely warm under your quilt. You are entirely protected, cocooned away in the quiet peace of this Japanese shelter. The storm outside can no longer touch you. The judgments of the world can no longer reach you. Wrapped in the soft, comforting grass scent of the tatami mats and the heavy, slow rhythm of the rainy Kyoto night, you finally, completely let your eyelids close. Your breathing becomes long, beautifully slow and deep, rising and falling like the midnight mist. Let go now. Let the gentle rain wash your mind completely blank, leaving only a beautiful, smooth quietness. Deep, restorative, healing sleep takes you now as you drift away into a beautiful, timeless dream. Rest well, my friend. Good night, buddy.